All right, so we're going to go over how to create a new project. So if you start off and the data panel is not open, go up to the upper right hand corner, click on this grid, it says show data panel. Once that is open, you'll see a blue button that says new project. Click on new project and that'll give you the project at the top. You can go ahead and name it something like, say, demo parts. Once that is named, it'll go ahead and list it. If you want to have it pinned, you can go ahead and pin that to the top, and then it will pin it. So we've got demo parts there. Now, if I double click on the project, it'll open it up. I can create a new folder. For example, first demo, and then hit enter. And the second thing that I can do is, for example, if I want to go ahead and share this, I can click on people. And then if I click into here, I can name, so let's say 1781 Electric Eagles at gmail.com. And then hit invite, and it will send an invitation. And that'll add them to the list, and then you've shared your project. Go back to data. You can go ahead and then any part that you want, you then can go ahead and save it to that section. If you want to return out of the folder structure, you can click back on the home folder, and that is that. All right, have a good day.